talk about Yee and Cheng have adventure and collect mushrooms at the forest. This is my storyboard, so I know which goes step by step, so I know which one should I do first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It starts to rain like usually, like two videos ago. It starts to rain. Sometimes it gets a little puddles, and then it starts to flood. So when it starts to rain, it makes floods like the other one, and also it can make patterns and patterns like each year, like January 18 and again. It's same day, maybe not the same time and not the same age. After it's raining, the sun rays start to help the roots and actually collect some of it, which it doesn't have any feathers, which it collects it with its top. And then it starts to grow and grow and grow. Oh, not usually like the grass. The grass is there usually. Yeah. And then mushrooms, grass, rocks are created. Look, so today Yee brings a basket, and Cheng says, "What's that?" And then he says, "It's a basket for picking mushrooms and have some adventure." And then he agrees with them, which he wants to have adventure too. They're like, "Look, it's mushrooms." They count all the mushrooms. They have about 12, and all they can feel is about 10. So they had about 2 more left. On this picture, Cheng and Yee are so excited to collect these mushrooms. This is Yee's hand, this is Cheng's hand. They both fill the bucket with mushrooms each time. After they're done with the mushrooms and the basket starts to get full, they start going home because it's kind of getting late like usually. And Yee and Cheng are very happy today because they get to eat as much mushrooms as they can. So Yee says, "Yay, I hope we get to do this next year." Or Cheng starts to agree with it because they want more adventure and more fun, you know? It's kind of the same. This is the story for today, people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell just so you get notifications.